Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. I wanted to let you know that at this point in time I am taking a break from this video series, but if you need any help whatsoever, I am taking requests, and if I get a request I will make a video to help you with anything that I may have mentioned in any of the videos but have not yet created a video for. I do hope to return to this series later, but I find that I need to move on to another project to freshen up my creative flow. If you are wanting to use the egg doilies in any of these pieces, I do have a video up that shows you how to create the teeny tiny egg doilies. And you should be able to use it in conjunction with these videos to use the egg doilies to create some pieces. Anything else that you see in the videos and would like me to create a video to help you through your piece, let me know. I'm usually very motivated by request, so I look forward to hearing from you, and I hope that you enjoy this series and make lots of beautiful pieces. Happy beading!